Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpretation. So we can use about interpretation by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to the square root of number 2 tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have number 2 tan t square. So number 2 and number 2 we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1 we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got like this. So I will put this one gone here. ds we change for this one. So this one that is about number 2 tan t square. So number 2 and number 2 we can do about factorization. This one that is about secant of t square. The square root of this one you got about secant of t. And now we need to simplify, and you got secant of t dt. And now we have the final answer about t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 2. And now we can find the value of t, that is about octane of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. So this one we simplified and we got this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.